Today I repaired a card slot that couldn't be pressed in and kept popping out. I opened it up to see what was causing the problem. Why is there something inside this card slot? Normally the slot should be empty. This must have been manually stuffed in. We cleaned it. This one is especially hard to disassemble, so we carefully tried to take it apart. The contact points inside have been deformed, several contacts are not aligned. We will see if we can repair it. This is quite troublesome. We reassembled it and powered it on to check if it can read the memory card normally. Many contact points were severely deformed. We powered it on first to see if it could read the card successfully. Good, it can read it now. It took a lot of effort, but the slot is still not that smooth. We will work on it some more. Now everything is working normally, no problems.